Hello there, my name is Citron here at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover, Alabama. Thank you so much for inquiring about our beautiful Hyundai Sonata, our flagship vehicle. We have plenty of different color and trim options to choose from. I got one pulled up right behind me that I'm excited to show you. So let's dive in, shall we? In the front, we got Hyundai's cascading waterfall grille with the LED wraparound headlights, daytime running lights, premium alloy wheels, nitrogen-filled tires, blind spot detection, beautiful exterior color. Let's take a look on the inside. On the inside, premium cloth throughout the entire vehicle. We got a nice 7-inch touchscreen display that's equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You got your drive mode select and a bunch of safety and technology features. Again, different color and trim options, both exterior and interior on these gorgeous vehicles. But here is the interior. But the best part about our vehicles are the warranties. We have a 5-year, 60,000 mile new car warranty and a 10-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty, which we double to 20 years, 200,000 miles, which is unheard of. My personal cell phone is going to be area code 703-505-1598. Give me a call as soon as you get this message so we can further discuss some exciting details about this vehicle in particular. Here at Tameron Hyundai, you're going to love the way you're treated.